everybody, welcome back to Cooking with the Chief. Today's a little bit different. We're not cooking, we've actually gone out to the Shed Shaker brewery in Castlemaine. I've just ordered ourselves a nice rye IPA, that's why it looks cloudy, and a hardcore apple cider, and we're just waiting for our cheese platter to come out, so hopefully it'll be a good afternoon. Okay guys, so we've got our cheese platter that's come out. It looks great. It's supposedly for 3 people. I could possibly eat it on my own. That's worth $32. We've got 4 different cheese. We've got some dried figs, we've got some sliced pear, some walnuts and some quince paste, and some of these fancy crackers. So yep, that's what $32 gets you. So at this stage now we're just going to dig in. Okay, as you can see, we've finished or polished off this cheese platter. Well, there wasn't a great deal to polish, but what there was 9 out of 10. It was excellent. For 3 people, no. For 2 people, yeah, it was okay. A bit pricey, but overall, the cheeses were fantastic. So, yeah, highly recommended. Again, if you're hungry, probably not the meal for you or the place to go to, because all meals are pretty small, but excellent place, excellent vibe. The food is fresh, it's all locally sourced, so that's fantastic anyway. So alright guys, let's move on from here. So that's it guys, that's the tap room at the Shed Shaker brewery. Nice place, it's a beautiful afternoon there, the sun's come up in the old brickworks. And yeah, like I said, you can eat in or you can eat outside. They've got plenty of shelter, and yeah, highly rated by me. It's a new premises though. We're at the other end here, but they've grown, so they've gone into a bigger section. And yeah, if you're ever down this way in Castlemaine, across the road from the Botanical Gardens, at the tap room, Shed Shaker. And guys, while you're here, always in Castlemaine, next to the Shed Shaker, there's Boomtown Winery. It's not a bad place to visit as well. They're limited with their menu, but their wines are fantastic. So yeah, that's a highly recommended place to go as well. And if you're into your art, there is Art Path here as well. You can go in there, they've got some artworks there that you can go and have a look at. Yeah, there's some lovely paintings there. So yeah, that's another little spot to go and visit. You've probably seen this artwork in an old post of mine in the past. That's on the edge of Art Puff. Just some local artists performing their thing. Just looks great, a set of hands. It's a beautiful bit of artwork. So guys, as you can see with the sign, we've got bakery to the right, cafe, cheese, chocolate, offices to the left, small goods to the right. We've got the winery, which we've just been to a minute ago, and behind us is the Shed Shaker brewery. So there is a few good places to go and check out, and also there is a bakery here, an artisan bakery as well to check out. So we're just making our way through, and this is where I want to go, guys. There's the Cellar Bistro. That's the front entrance before I was showing you the back entrance. But this is where I want to take you here to the artisan style small goods. The pork is Berkshire pork, so it's quality supreme. It's just unbelievable. So we'll go in to Oakwood Small Goods, and we'll get some of the small goods. Alright guys, so this is some of the produce that they sell here. It's all made on the premises. It's all fantastic stuff. They even have some pork sausage roll, pork and apricot, which are just fantastic. And then we've got, look at this, you cannot go past some of the best quality small goods, not only in the country but in the world. I'll just hop over to the other side. It is fantastic, the amount of produce that they come up with here. Even the fresh meats, their sausages are to die for. It is the best in the world, and they've even got dry aged meat. Have a look at this. That is just unbelievable, top quality, fantastic. And now we'll go to my favourite, we'll go over to the beef jerky section. Alright guys, so that's their beef jerky section here. Unbelievable, it is just fantastic. It's at an ambient temperature of 17.4 with a humidity of 60. They just love their homemade goods here. Just love it, love it. Alright guys, so I've just bought my smoked ham from these lovely beautiful ladies. Thank you very much for that. And again, we'll see you again shortly, and we're hungry. Thank you very much. Okay ladies, have a good day. Take care, bye bye. Okay, so last of all guys, we've got long paddock cheese, which, you know, again, their quality cheese is just immense. Not cheap, but you are getting quality. You've got the local ice cream, Republic. Their ice creams are absolutely fantastic. And one of my favourite places is here, Das Coffee House. It's a Belgian-German restaurant. You dead set think you are, oh, look at that. You dead set think you are in Germany. It is absolutely beautiful. We won't go in there today. We'll do another video on this place in the months to come. In the winter time, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so we'll move on from here. So guys, after all of that, across the road is the Botanical Gardens. This is the main entrance. You can come in here, walk off that beers, or the craft beers, and some of that beautiful food that you've just eaten, and yeah, like I said, just go for a walk and enjoy this gorgeous looking place. It is beautiful. That's Castlemaine Botanical Gardens, guys. Got the lovely fountain here. You've got the lovely little pond in the middle, and there's a walkway that goes all around the place. Have a look at this lovely place. You can't beat it. It is just so lovely. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. Just something different from cooking, but again, you know, sometimes you've got to have a break from doing that all yourself. But yeah, it's one of my favourite little places. So if you're in the heartland of Victoria, by all means come down here to Castlemaine, across the road from the Botanical Gardens, and come and taste some of their fresh locally grown produce and fresh craft beers that they make here. And then here, come down here for a walk at Botanical Gardens. It's not a promo for Castlemaine by all means, just it's one of my favourite places that I've been coming since I was a teenager. So in saying that, guys, I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you have, please like, follow and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the kitchen. Cheers, have a good day. Alright guys, I'm not going to let you go without having a good look at this smoked ham that we've got, plus I'm dying to have some of it. So we'll open this up. I'll just put the camera, whoop. And anyone wanting to know where I am at this stage, we're at the old Castlemaine jail. Beautiful place. So our meat is well presented. So let me just grab a piece out of here. Now if you look at that, it is just absolutely beautiful as, oh, I can just the smell that's coming off it, that smoky hickory smell, it's just, but you know what, smell is one thing. Let me just put this up here, whoop, the other way, and here we go. Oh, If anyone knows anywhere better than this Berkshire pork smoked ham, drop it a comment in the comment section and let me know, because I've worked overseas in many different places and within this country, and I can tell you now, this is the best ham I've ever eaten in my life. Yes, it's not cheap, it's $49 a kilo, but it is worth every cent. Oh. Flavour personified, guys. Anyway, while I'm here, I just want to show you a little bit of where we're at. So we're up on the hill in Castlemaine, overlooking Castlemaine itself. Beautiful township, pretty quiet, and here we are at the old Castlemaine jail. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you back in the kitchen.